everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. My name is Divya Sahu and today I am going to give you a room tour of the place where I am staying for my 3 days mandatory quarantine in Canada. So let's get into it. The name of the place is Comfort Inn and I paid 790 CAD for 4 days and 3 nights. Yes, it's really very expensive. It feels like Canadian government is taking the money from students or the international travelers to pay their bills or whatsoever they are doing. But we need to opt it. There is no any other option. Now let me provide you a room tour of this place. So in my room there are two big windows. That's the airport. The desk, and here's my lunch. I will provide you a review of the food that the hotels are providing, at least at the Comfort Inn is providing. That's the main gate. In India, we push down to switch on the lights, but here we push above to switch on the lights. Please hit the like, share and subscribe button. So we also have hair dryer over here, and we have iron also over here. Yeah, these are the hangers. That's the washroom. That's the washroom. That's your tub. That's shower. That's toilet. And yeah, that's it. Those are the So stay tuned to this channel because soon I will be providing you a review of the amenities that are provided by Comfort Inn Hotel, and also because that's what I can talk about. That's where I'm staying right now. And I will also tell you how to use those amenities, and also I will be providing you the review of the food that Comfort Inn is providing. How is it taste wise and all those things. And in case if you haven't subscribed my another channel, the name of the channel is Sahu Channel Vlogs. So please go and visit that channel and subscribe to it. I will see you soon. Till then, take care. Ta-da.